Hello and welcome back to our live reaction for Reborn as a Vending Machine episode 9. I'm X Creek, that's Azalfan and Caddy.
Oh,
Hello.
Alright, let's begin in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Wow, 2 days? It took 2 days to get out?
damn.
I mean, it is a huge maze, I guess. I guess the monsters just... Yeah, there you go. Monsters doesn't even go out of the maze, huh?
Mm.
Oh, so Western.
Hmm. Hmm?
Never mind.
I mean, I would assume there's not a lot of people who comes by this place.
Oh, so Drake the Bear is not really his real name.
Well, yeah, I guess.
Good for him.
Good for him for having a name, I guess.
Okay.
Wait, so even as a vending machine, he still need to sleep?
Apparently, yeah.
Kind. Apparently, yeah.
Oh.
It's weird, but
I'm not
need
really
to
sure
replenish his energy.
why this white-haired girl is like pretty prominent in the opening. I mean, so
But
far
we-
she has appeared multiple times among the menagerie of WoW, but she seems like just your regular secondary character.
Yeah.
Not even secondary, maybe tertiary.
Maybe we'll get some focusing on her later story.
Maybe.
Teleportation circle. Can we see the one here?
And bye.
Oh,
Oh.
looks like a hero.
Yeah.
Oh.
Michelle? Oh, no. I mean, the way you pronounce his name is like Michelle, so
Do you happen to be someone who got isekai?
who knows? Maybe not.
I think his charisma charm is like level 100 or something. Oh my god.
Wow, charisma.
Yeah. He marks his Christmas stats.
But I mean,
Well,
he's not muscle bound.
But he's all kind of old guy,
I
older
guess.
guy.
maybe that one is also traumatized. Maybe she's also muscle bound, old woman.
Well, there you go. Yeah,
Well, this one is not traumatized, of course.
maybe. Wait a minute. Now that they mention these, I kind of expect her to look different,
Hey,
right? Maybe
but
she
she's
is like muscle bound. Maybe she looks like
Hmm.
Sakura from Danganronpa.
Oh,
wow.
holy shit!
I thought
I
she's
mean,
just that white hair chick from the opening.
I have to
We've
say
seen her already,
though,
though.
Sakura is best girl in Danganronpa.
I guess, yeah.
I mean, right? If you remember what she
In
did,
a way,
Ah.
yeah.
yeah.
Oh, he's not used to that.
Also, I don't think he's a height because he doesn't recognize the vending machine.
Yeah. Oh wow, he doesn't
Wear a
like.
mask.
Yeah, wear a mask or something. Like wear
Wear
a
armor should
helm.
come with one. Yeah.
Wear a helm. Actually, you're an
Wow.
adventurer. A helmet would be
Suddenly
very useful.
relatable.
Yeah. Think positivity. Give him a free drink. Come on. Give him chocolates? Oh,
Uh,
this weird box is talking to me.
I should follow what it say.
It wants my money.
I mean,
Wow.
Okay.
hmm?
I don't think so.
What job?
I mean, the huge monster inside the maze is already gone, so why bother?
So Disney.
Hmm. I
Says
mean,
you cannot even change yours.
yeah, that's true. Also, that's just the standard like response for like introverts.
It is what it is.
Yeah, it is what it is. Oh
Wow.
my god, but this is a bit too much though. Change it up a bit, man. Don't just say the same thing. I don't know, do some random grunts or like heh or like whatever.
Wow.
Oh my god. This is just Bochi energy.
Wow.
Yeah, kinda.
Oh, I thought he was talking in his own mind.
Hmm.
I thought he was talking out loud.
Yeah, apparently.
Also, I checked the definition of vending machine. Turns out a washing machine constitutes as a vending machine. So yeah, service is included.
Yeah, anything can be vending machine if you try hard enough. Oh, oh,
Oh.
uh,
Well, what you? Are you?
I mean,
yeah. Where
they
did he
can,
go?
Where is Bokong?
Just
Was he
shrunk
there?
himself.
they can carry him inside the carriage, maybe.
Oh,
Yeah.
you
Oh,
smell the
so
blood?
yeah, you have something for that, right?
Chocolate.
Wait, what? Is it? No, this is, But do they even know how to use these?
Oh, yeah.
Do they,
Do you
I
even
mean,
know?
I guess that's like a picture.
Yeah. How do you use this?
No, they have a picture on the packaging, right? Maybe they
Yeah,
can just
but
follow
usually,
that.
but this one doesn't seem to have anything in it.
Oh, okay. Thankfully, she's
You know?
smart. Yeah,
Yeah,
she's
but don't
smart.
they have like a second version of this already? I mean,
Do they?
they should, right? Otherwise, what do they do all this time?
They just bleed all over the place.
Oh my god.
Good question. Historically, how does it work? Like,
Yeah, yeah, that's true. Historically, how does that work?
What do they use? What did they use?
Yeah, anyone knows? If any of you knows, maybe put it in the comments. I guess we can just Google it, but yeah.
Oh, we're done already. Wow. Okay. Didn't get to see any action.
Oh. Oh.
What is it? Your fan base?
Yeah.
Yeah. What?
Oh.
Oh. He reacted pretty quick.
Yeah.
It's a test.
Okay, show us some action. Okay, action time.
Ooh.
But aren't you worried?
No, it should be fine.
Ekusu Kalima!
Oh, oh,
Whoa,
oh.
Dragon Slash! Wow.
Okay. Wait, 500 points?
Wow, okay, stop.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Pretty powerful.
Wait, so the barrier works by converting points into HP?
Mm. Oh, okay.
Straightforward.
Yeah.
I guess a very polite hunter, if anything.
Mm. I don't know about that. Yeah, resist it is then.
You talk a lot for people who, after that
Oh!
guy's life.
Oh. Maybe? Okay, thankfully it works.
What is this? Oh, the pressure was in.
Mm-hmm.
How many
I guess
bars
it's
is it?
like it's non-lethal, I suppose.
Yeah, it's just
Oh
distraction.
no! Pollution.
This isn't effective crowd control.
Yeah. I mean,
Wait, why are they showing us?
I mean,
why are they showing us this?
you don't need to drown them.
Okay.
Oh.
Nothing personal.
Wait.
Wait, really?
Mm.
Uh,
Oh.
oh, that's the problem.
Oh, okay.
Well, but you did good though.
Oh well.
No problemo, that guy can solo.
Hmm. I mean, he's strong enough, right?
Yeah, it's strong enough. His strength isn't the problem.
Hmm. It's his social anxiety that's the problem.
His
Yeah.
power comes from his social anxiety.
Ah. The moment he
Yeah.
becomes sociable, he's very weak then.
It's equivalent exchange.
Yeah. My main weakness, social interactions.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yeah, 3 more episodes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Review that.
Review.
Okay.
Oh,
new
they went
villains.
back to the. Okay.
Oh, it's back again.
Yeah, it's been
Man,
like
they
what?
didn't show us how to come back here.
I guess they just teleport. There's a teleporter or something, or a gate. Huh? Wait, what?
they're
Oh
back?
no.
Oh, they're making.
Oh, is it the chain whatever thing?
It's
Yeah,
made
chains
out of.
there's a person
Wow.
inside.
Was it a cup?
Yes.
You can see their
Wow.
hand.
Well, that's a start. So it's not a vending machine. It's a drive-through.
I mean,
Yeah, it's just a takeaway restaurant.
yeah.
Well, that's a start.
Wow, they just closed out. I mean, like I understand that the chain's restaurant was like they started it first. But I mean, you could have
Jukebox.
maybe talked to them about like coexisting together. I don't know. Well, whatever,
Nah,
man.
the locals don't want to coexist with the chain restaurant, right? They
Yeah,
really
that's
protested
true.
house now.
Yeah, that's true. No, I mean like if the chain's restaurant can also sell their food without hurting the locals, like coexisting together, they could be fine, right?
Yeah.
Like it's just like adding one more restaurant. Like okay, it should be okay. The problem before was that they are taking all of the customers from the others. Like if you work together with the others, it should be fine. Maybe, I don't know. Oh well. Yeah, all right. That was Azelfan's chair noises. That was Reborn as a Vending Machine, episode 9. Thank you for watching and see you all next time. Bye.